How to flip and rotate a video in CapCut PC. If you have a video in CapCut that's oriented the wrong way, this tutorial will guide you through the process of flipping and rotating it to the correct position. First of all, launch open CapCut on your PC, import the video you want to edit into the timeline. Click on the video you want to rotate or flip. Now, once your video is selected, a menu with several options will appear. Look for the button that looks like two triangles and two arrows. Now click on the button with the triangles and arrows. In the menu, you will see an option called mirror. Clicking on mirror will flip the video horizontally. To rotate the video, look for the rotate option in the same menu. Clicking the rotate button will rotate your video by 90 degrees. If you need 180 or 270 rotation, simply click the rotate button multiple times. After adjusting the orientation, you can preview your changes. If you're satisfied, proceed with further edits or export your video. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.